Lockie here from K-On, and today we're installing the rear window basket for the Toyota FJ Cruiser. So the basket comes in two pieces. The first step is what we're going to do is we'll bolt them together like this. And this helps us align the bolt, where we're going to drill into the door to mount it. So we'll just do this up with our fingers first, and then we'll tighten it up secure. And then after that, we'll bring it to the door, mark our holes, and start drilling. So we're just going to be positioning this here now, just to gauge and get an idea of where our bolt holes are going to be. So sort of midway up the door, along this bottom here, on this top little ridge, and on the other side here as well. So now that we have a good idea of where those bolt holes are going to go in the Nutserts, we've got some masking tape, and we'll just mask up the areas that we're going to be drilling into, just so we don't get any flakes going anywhere, or we're marking it up wrong. So about there, and about here. I've just opened up the window a little bit to get a little bit more access to the sides of the frame here. Opening this window allows the gas struts to move a little bit forward. It just gives us extra room. And what I've also done, a little bit of a tip here, is I've put some double-sided tape on the outside tabs here. So I've got one here and then one in the middle. This will allow me to do it by myself. You probably could do it without it, just something that I prefer. So with yourself, or maybe with a second person, align this into position. And I've designed this in such a way that the tabs actually align with the back weather seal, so that when you put it into position, it's quite easy, because you should be able to line it with sort of the base here where the gas struts up and down the weather seal. So now that is secured into place, we will start marking our holes. All right, now that we've got everything marked up, we can now remove this. And so we see all our marked spots there. And what we'll do next is we'll grab our center punch. You don't need to grab a center punch, but if it works for you, just makes aligning this bolt hole, drilling the bolt hole a little bit easier. So I'll grab this guy, punch out where our hole is going to be, like so. All right, now we've got those marked out. We'll go ahead and start drilling. This is always the fun part, drilling into the side of your car. So, I'm just using the 3mm. So start off with a 3mm, and then we'll work up to an 8mm to fit our nutsert into. Okay, now that we've got those two drilled, we'll go ahead and drill little pilot holes for these self-tappers. You don't have to, but just for a little bit of guidance for those self-tappers, might as well. So again with that 3mm, this is really easy because the plastic's super soft. All right, now we'll move up to an 8mm, just so our nutsert can fit in. Okay, holes have been drilled. So now that we've drilled all our holes out to 8mm, this is the nutsetting tool that is supplied in the kit. Comes with this golden one, but we supplied two silver ones, so just for some neatness, I'm just going to use the silver guys. This guy sits in here, hold it with a spanner, and then with a ratchet, just keep going until it tightens up and grabs onto the metal behind it. And that's it. And you'll just unloosen this guy and unscrew it. Nutsetting done. Now the other side. So we've nutsetted the door now. We'll just remove these double-sided tape pieces that we did earlier on. And the next step is we're actually going to bolt the washers and bolts to the door. And this will hold our basket in place. Alright, that's one loosely done, and the second guy. Okay. And then we'll do these screws on the bottom, and they will self-tap into the pilot holes that we drilled earlier. Very easy. Alright, that's that one set, and we'll do the others. So it's important while doing this not to over tighten them because you'll strip the plastic. This door card is very, very soft, so don't forget to do it up just a little bit, just till you can feel it gets a little bit, just until it grabs. And then our last step is tightening up the bolts on the side here. We'll just use an Allen key, tighten them up, and it all just pull together to create a nice stiff basket. As you can see, it's all mounted up here, so it's nice and flush with the door card and sits up against the edges here. It's enough room to put all your soft storage stuff and strong enough to hold them. More information, head to our website, kaon.com.au.